Welcome to the Wayband instructional video. Our first video is to welcome you and provide you a walkthrough of the opening of the Wayband app for your first time. Tap on the Wayband icon on the home screen. The first prompt you will see is a Wayband would like to use your Bluetooth. Bluetooth contacts connects to the Wayband to provide haptic feedback. Please click OK. Welcome. Wayband is a haptic band that helps you navigate using only your sense of touch. Click the next button or swipe right to left. Eyes free, ears free. Free your eyes and your ears by receiving navigation information through non-intrusive tactile feedback. Tap the next at the bottom button or swipe from right to left. Travel with care. Wayband can only tell you which way to go. Please use additional tools for mobility if you're visually impaired. Swipe from right to left or tap the next button. You can sign up using an Apple account or a Gmail account. Tap either sign up with Apple or sign up with Google. For this demonstration, I'm going to sign in with my Apple account. So I will tap the Apple account. You will get a prompt at the bottom of the screen. Do you want to sign in to the Wayband with your Apple ID and then your Apple ID? Click Continue. The Wayband app is an outdoor navigation app, so you must share your location information with us for us to best help you. We suggest you tap the Allow while using App button. There you go. Happy wayfinding. There are 3 types of searches you can do. Search by address, search by point of interest, and search by what 3 words. As you can see at the top, there's a Where To. Tap. Now you're taken to a search screen. As you can see on the screen, there are a couple saved locations that I already have there. To search by address, start by typing the location's address. If you do not know the full address, no worries. The app will auto-suggest addresses similar to the address you have typed in. As you can see, there are many addresses that start with 101 Curry. The address that I'm looking for is there, and you can see that it sorts locations by closest to farthest. To search by point of interest, start by typing a location name or a type of location. For example, type coffee. So again, tap Where, type coffee, wait. There you go. There's a suggested list of coffee shops nearest me. Again, sorted by closest to farthest. The name of the location, the address, the city and the state, and the distance it is from you in miles. To search by what 3 words, go to the map view, which we have just done. Use pinch zoom in your finger to navigate around on the map, anywhere. I'm going to navigate to the end of my street. Push down on a location with your finger, and when you push down on your finger on a location and hold it, a what three words address will come back. Liability Shack Tiny. That is a what three words location that I would like to travel to. Hello again. Welcome to the Wayband App instructional videos. In this video, we are going to show you our haptic tutorial section. The Wayband app is all about the haptic vibration signal that we use to guide you around. We have 3 different signals, left, right, and wrong way. Our signals all start out with a buzz buzz followed by a pause and then the signal. The buzz buzz is a way of us telling you that you need to pay attention and the signal is coming. So let's go to the haptic tutorial. So in the bottom left-hand corner, click the menu button. Then in the list, find the haptic tutorials, tap it. On the haptic tutorial, you'll see 3 sections, each section for left, right, and wrong direction. The preemptive left haptic signal is a signal that happens just before a left turn is approaching. You can tap this left turn button and you will feel the vibration. Again, you should feel a buzz buzz, a pause, and then it is a long buzz, buzz. The next section is the preemptive right turn haptic signal. You will feel this when a right turn is coming. Again, these are preemptive turns that happen about somewhere around 10-15 feet before a turn. They do not happen directly at the turn. So there's another button on there that says the right turn. When you tap the right turn button, it should give you a buzz buzz followed by a pause and then a buzz 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 buzz, 4 buzzes. That is a right turn. The right and the left turn are very distinct. Now the wrong direction signal is a signal that happened when you are going in the wrong direction. If you are facing the right direction, you should feel no vibration at all. But as you start to veer a little bit to the left or a little bit to the right, you'll feel a slight vibration, and the farther you go in the wrong direction, you'll feel a heavier vibration. It's a gradual vibration. You can tap the wrong way and you should feel this. Hello again. Welcome to the Wayband app instructional videos. In this video, we are going to show you our haptic quiz section. This section is all about testing your knowledge of our haptic vibration signals. Our app is only as good as the haptic vibration signal. We want you to learn them and understand them so that you can free your eyes and ears during your trips and allow the haptic vibration to guide you to your destination. On the screen, you can see a big play haptic vibration button. When you tap, you will feel a haptic vibration signal. These haptic vibration signals are randomized. Below the button is a list of button answers, left, right, and wrong way. Tap on the answer button that describes the haptic vibration signal you felt. Let's go to the section now and try this out. Tap the menu button in the lower left-hand corner, tap Haptic Quiz, and yep, there again you see the haptic vibration, play haptic vibration button. When you tap it, it will play a haptic vibration. Down below, you can select an answer. Your answer is correct. Click OK. Hit the play haptic vibration button again. Select another answer. Your answer is correct. Again. Click OK. Try it one more time. We're 2 for 2. Let's see if we can get this one correct. Play haptic vibration again. Tap and answer again. Oops! Your answer is incorrect. Correct answer is wrong direction. Well, we can't get them all right. That's why we have a quiz, so we can keep trying and keep learning, so we can free your eyes and your ears on your trip.
Slowly. About right now, you should feel a left turn. It's about 10 meters before the sidewalk. It should have been a buzz, buzz, followed by a long buzz. And now we should have already felt a right buzz. And another right. Right here we're making another right. Get a minute too, so I can see if you keep moving it. I can't see the screen. And your head keeps getting in the way on the screen. Stop. finish. Give it a rating, hit the stars, hit submit.